Welcome to our roundup of the best smart light bulbs of 2026. Easy upgrades that bring convenience, ambience, and modern lighting control to any room in your home. Smart bulbs let you adjust brightness, colors, schedules, and automation with your voice or smartphone, helping you save energy, create the perfect mood for any occasion, and integrate lighting into your smart home setup. In this guide, we've selected some of the top smart bulbs available today based on features like app control, color range, voice assistant compatibility, ease of setup, and overall performance. We'll walk through each option so you can find the perfect smart lighting solution for your space. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. The LifeX Opal Color Tube Smart LED bulb brings dynamic and vibrant lighting to your home with an extended color range and unique elongated design that's perfect for fixtures where a standard bulb might fall short. LifeX bulbs are known for their rich, saturated colors and intuitive app control, allowing you to choose from millions of colors and adjust brightness with ease. One of the great things about LifeX bulbs is that they connect directly to Wi-Fi, eliminating the need for a separate hub or bridge. Users appreciate the strong color output and how well these bulbs integrate with voice control systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Whether you're lighting a living room, accenting a hallway, or adding fun color to a game room, the LifeX Opal Color Tube Smart LED bulb offers bright, customizable lighting that enhances your space. Next up are UTech Smart Light Bulbs, a versatile option that's great for everyday smart lighting needs. These bulbs typically offer adjustable white and color settings, allowing you to switch between warm, cozy light for evenings and bright, cool light for daytime tasks, all from your phone or voice assistant. UTech bulbs often work with major smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant, making setup and control simple whether you're scheduling lights for wake UPS and sleep routines or creating scenes for entertainment. Users like how reliable the bulbs perform and how easy it is to manage them through the companion app. If you want smart bulbs that are straightforward to set up and deliver dependable performance for any room, UTech Smart Light Bulbs are a solid choice. Coming in next is the Wise A19 Smart Bulb, an excellent value pick for anyone who wants smart lighting without complexity or high cost. Wise has become known for delivering affordable smart home products with thoughtful features, and this smart bulb continues that tradition with reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, adjustable brightness, and scheduling options. It works seamlessly with the Wise app and integrates with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control lights hands-free. The A19 form factor fits most standard light fixtures, and users appreciate how easy it is to add these bulbs to an existing smart home ecosystem. While it may not offer as wide a color range as some premium models, the Wise A19 Smart Bulb delivers consistent performance and smart control that fits most everyday lighting needs. Stepping into a fun and family-friendly lighting option, the Echo Glow Multicolor Smart Bulb is a great choice for creating colorful ambience, interactive lighting effects, or kid-friendly lighting zones. Designed with multicolor output and easy voice control via Alexa, this smart bulb is perfect for game nights, parties, or mood lighting in a bedroom or play area. The Echo Glow works as part of Amazon's smart ecosystem, allowing you to customize colors, brightness, and schedules from the Alexa app or your voice. Users love how easy it is to set themed lighting scenes, sync colors to music, or use multi-bulb routines for wake UPS and bedtime. While it may lean more toward ambience than task lighting, the Echo Glow Multicolor Smart Bulb adds personality and fun to any smart home setup. Finally, taking the top spot as our best overall smart light bulb is the Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED light bulb. This bulb strikes a perfect balance of performance, simplicity, and value, making it an excellent fit for almost any home or room. Designed to work seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, it allows you to control lights with voice commands, set schedules, and adjust brightness or color temperature right from your smartphone. The A19 LED format fits most lamps and fixtures, and users appreciate its reliable connectivity and smooth performance without the need for additional hubs or bridges. Whether you're adjusting lights for a cozy night in, scheduling automatic on-off routines while you're away, or syncing lighting with daily routines, the Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED light bulb delivers consistent, customizable lighting that's easy to install and use. All of these smart bulbs serve different needs and preferences. The LifeX Opal Color Tube Smart LED bulb brings rich colors and design vision to your lighting, while UTech smart light bulbs offer flexible everyday performance. The Wise A19 smart bulb delivers strong value for budget-conscious users, and the Echo Glow Multicolor smart bulb adds playful, customizable lighting effects. Meanwhile, the Amazon Basics Smart A19 LED light bulb earns our top spot for its balanced performance, ease of use, and seamless integration with smart home systems. That wraps up our list of the best smart light bulbs of 2026. Whether you're lighting up living spaces, creating ambience, or adding smart automation to your home, one of these bulbs is sure to brighten your setup. Let us know in the comments which smart bulb you'd choose, or if you already use a favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and smart home guides. Check the description below for the latest deals and grab the best smart light bulbs for your home today.